In this video, I will guide you point to point to define smart money in the market. I mean as a POI zone to entry using the Fibonacci, some of the key things you need to remember. And the second one, where is the best place to use smart money in the market. The first one, you also know that how to define the POI in the market like this using the Fibonacci, but some of the things you need to remember here. The best place to use smart money. For example, from the left side to the right side, at this time we have a structure is a lower low, lower high like this, and here is a recent high of the market, create a lowest low. In the key level strategies, we call it here is the key levels of the down movement. It means that the strongest selling zone in the market. In the smart money concept, we call here is a BOS, break of the structures. If price can break out this zone, it means that down movement already changed to the up movement. Therefore, at this time, here is the best place we can entry. When price break out this zone, it means that the starting time of the new way. At that time, normally smart money will join into the market because only the power comes from the institutional bank, institutional organization can have the power to change the momentum, change the direction of the current market into the new market, new way. Therefore, at this time, we have a two story. The first one, the price will break out the BOS or the key levels very strictly in the strong way like this, have no any structure. At this time, to drawing the Fibonacci, you need to drawing in the whole way like this, from the lowest one to the highest one. In case price creates a structure like the high, low like this, at this time, we have some step to define the imbalance, to define the POI zone. For example, the first case, the imbalance appear on the first pull way and also on the second pull ways. At this time, the imbalance in the first pull way not filled because this pullback is not cover all of the imbalance. Therefore, at this time, to drawing the Fibonacci, you need to cover all the way. It means that from the lowest one to the highest one. And the second case, at this time, in the first way, the imbalance already filled. Or the case is a no imbalance in the first pull way, only have the imbalance in the second pull ways of the market. At this time, you can draw the Fibonacci from the lowest to the highest, only like this. And also the key thing you need to remember when you draw the Fibonacci to define the POI in the market, because if you draw and define the wrong POI zone, it means that your entry position is also wrong and lose money 100%. For example, in the first example I already talked in the last videos, when the market break out the structure like this, and here is a strong way have no any structures, because this zone also is a range because the pullback is not real pullback. We have the pin bar candle like this, create the range and price not break out this pin bar candles to create the real pullback. Therefore, the markets go up very strongly without structure. Therefore, this time we can draw the Fibonacci from the lowest to the highest. And we can have here is our POI zone very exactly. You can see that the price already come into this POI zone and reversal, continue go up. And in the next example, at this time price already break out the BOS with the structure like this. High, low, but at this time price in the first pull way of the market already contain the imbalance. You can see capture here. And at this time, in the second way also have the imbalance at this levels, at this price. But we have the imbalance both of the way in the all pull ways. Therefore, this time we need to draw the Fibonacci from this low to this high. Therefore, here is our POI zone. Cover all of the down candles. And at this time also the strongest POI zone because here is a down marble candle between two up marble candles. And when price come into this zone very strongly with the down marble candles like this, with the down volume like this to manipulate the market to take liquidities and price come up immediately. That is all thing we need to remember when you use Fibonacci to define the POI zone with the smart money concept. Thank you.